Welcome to my channel. It's your girl HR on another midnight wine review. So as you all know, I do detailing as well. So I'm hoping this is my Tornador, because I did order one. I ordered a new one. I actually have one, and it's cool, but I wanted the black. So the price actually wasn't bad on this. I think it was like $56. And it is. I'm excited. Yay. This is the brush. And that's real aluminum. So this one is actually a different brand. I really wanted it because every time I use my original Tornador, and when I fill the liquid and when it goes out, I have to unscrew it and do all that. But with this one, I don't have to unscrew all that. I can just take this and put more of my cleaning solution in. So I cannot wait to do, that's kind of heavy. Did you hear that? This is really good quality, guys. I can't wait to do a user review on this so you guys can see how it actually works. I have no idea what this says. It looks Chinese to me. Why she? But this is really heavy duty plastic too. But again, like I said, it was $56. It's packaged well. See that? It's bubble wrapped. That's all in the box. So it's kind of heavy. It's but it's made of real aluminum. It's really heavy, guys. But you see it has the ball there at the bottom. And the copper inside. See if we can take this off. I cannot wait to use this. I am so excited right now. Okay, so this, oh wow, look. Let's set this up like this. Look how this moves. So this is way better than my original Tornador that just have a plastic tubing with like some plastic clips or something on it. Like this is real copper, and this is what moves. Oh my goodness. And I can see inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the tubing where the spray comes out right there. This is where you adjust it. Oh, that feels so good. I cannot wait. You know what? I have to do a detail this weekend. It's actually not for cloth interior. It's a exterior detail. I'm actually gonna do a little paint correction and winterize it, get some wax on it before the winter sets in. But I want you guys to like, this is really good quality stuff here. It feels really good. It's really heavy, so I think it's gonna last a while. This does looks like the US coupling there, which is pretty awesome. This does not feel cheap at all. It feels, this trigger, it's pretty sturdy. Really sturdy, actually. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm definitely gonna do a working detail on it so you guys can see how it works, because I bought it for this purpose so I can, you know, fill it from here instead of having to, you know, take all this off. This is really awesome. I'm gonna probably take this sticker off. This sticker means absolutely nothing, honestly. You know, write my name on it or something. But again, I'm gonna leave the link to this below, because if you're a detailer, you definitely want this in your arsenal. It's really, really good. Like I said, it's made really well. The quality is really impressive, like really impressive. I know this video is gonna do it no justice, but you definitely gotta try this. You gotta feel it. Like if I had to just guess, or you know, guesstimate rather, this probably weighs about 4 or 5 pounds, maybe, I don't know. I'm not good at that, but it's really quality. And then I love the fact that it's silver too, because that's my favorite color. So, well, for vehicles anyway. It's not my favorite color, but I really like silver because it's clean. So, again, I'm gonna play with this. I'm definitely gonna do a working review on it. And like I say, I'm definitely gonna leave you the link there, so you guys can, if you're interested in buying it, that is, because I think it's gonna do very good. Oh, look at that. You can, I don't know if camera can pick that up, but the ball is actually at the very bottom. So, and it's weighted, which is what that ball is. So it's not gonna leave, you know, liquid there at the bottom. And it doesn't tilt either. Designed very well. I'm actually quite impressed. So again, let me know what you think. If you have any questions on how I should test this out, I'm more than happy to help you, you know, do that as well. So hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks. Good night.